Tired of constantly stopping and starting jobs to refill with paint? Try the Graco spray pack that holds 5 litres of spray material. Saves time stopping and refilling, so you get the job done quicker. Let's set up the spray pack for use. Remove the paint pot container from the spray gun by unscrewing paint pot container from the gun. Remove the pickup tube by carefully pulling out and put aside for use with paint pot container for future use. Check white round seal is firmly in place in the gun. Take clear paint tube, the short one. Remove the black bung from one end. Thread this end of the tube through the adapter plate. Firmly push paint tube into the gun. Screw adapter plate into the gun, ensuring the tube is securely in place. The gun is now set up. Fit hose adapter facing upwards into the SprayStation unit. Fitting adapter with the tube facing upwards will make it easier to attach the other hoses. Attach the longer clear air tube to the adapter. Attach black air hose to the adapter. Attach hose clips to the air hose. The unit is now set up, ready for use with the spray pack.